Hello. How are you? Do you have any mushrooms today? Let's put them right in there. They're beautiful, aren't they? Let's do that basket right there. Very nice. All right, great.
Thank you.
Take care.
Have a nice day.
You too. Probably not going to add them all into this pan for these two items. And that looks like a lot, but that will really cook all the way down. Take a little of our greens. I like to use organic lettuces, because remember we have our mushrooms dressed, right? Take a little bit of balsamic vinegar, drizzle that right over there. Let's put our mushrooms in here. There you go. So definitely try this at home. You can even make this for yourself. I used to make myself candlelit dinners at midnight, so try that out. It'll work for you. Thank you very much.